So here is how to get a Temu code. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to get a $100 free coupon bundle or use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. So as you can see, we're currently in the Temu website. If you go over to the search bar on the top and paste in my code ACR697477 and search, you'll be able to view a lot of items with big discounts. Now, let's go through the page and choose an item. For example, this watch right over here. Let's click on Add Now to add it to our cart. And as you can see, we get a pop-up on the right side which is for our cart. Let's click on Go to Cart. And if you click on Checkout, you'll be prompted to add more items because the minimum order limit has not been reached. So scroll through the items over here or use the search bar and add whichever one that you want to your cart. So let's go with this one. And as you can see, the requirement has been met. You can add more items if you want as well. Once done, just click on Continue to Checkout. After that, on this page, click on Enter Coupon Code right over here and paste in the code ACR697477 and click on Apply. And an additional discount will be added to your order. After making sure everything is correctly set up, just click on Submit Order. And that's it. That is exactly how to get Temu Code.